Everyone, this is Saptesh Pratap Singh. In this video, we're going to discuss how to use machine learning in Android without any machine learning knowledge. So let's get started. Nowadays, machine learning has become an integral part of mobile development. Big companies like Uber, Facebook, Microsoft, etc. rely heavily on machine learning for their businesses. It helps them to know their users better and provide with a better experience on their apps. So as a mobile developer, it is important for us to integrate some kind of intelligence into our apps for a better user experience. Firebase MLKit. It is a mobile SDK that enables Android and iOS app developers to have advanced machine learning capabilities into their apps with ease. There is no need to have any machine learning knowledge to get started. MLKit comes with a set of ready to use APIs for common use cases, and it just takes a few lines of code to implement these APIs into our apps. The on-device APIs are designed to work fast with no internet connection. In this video, I'm gonna show how to use face detection API. So let's get started. Face detection in Android using Firebase MLKit. Face detection is the process of automatically locating human faces in image or video. Once the face is detected, it can be used to search for landmarks such as eyes, nose, face tracking, landmark, counter, and the persons. It can identify multiple persons in an image or video, the happiness of each person, the probability of the right eye, the probability of the left eye. So let's see a working example of this API. Now let's see how to implement face detection in Android. Here is the official documentation of Firebase MLKit and how to use in a step-wise procedure. You can go through this documentation step by step to implement the code. So let's get started. Before you begin, create your project in the Android Studio and connect it to the Firebase. Now coming to the step 1, these two dependencies you have to add in your, go to your Android Studio. In build.gradle file, open app module. In app module, you add these two dependencies. After adding these two dependencies, go to the official documentation, and this is the metadata which configures your app to automatically download the machine learning model once your app is downloaded from the Play Store. So now copy these lines and go to your Android Studio. In Android Studio, open manifest. In manifest file, you need to add this metadata here. After adding metadata, you can go to the official documentation and study the input image guideline. For face detection, you must provide an input image such that this machine learning model can detect the faces present in the image. So, according to the official documentation, these are the types of images that are acceptable by Firebase machine learning for face detection: bitmap, media.image, byte buffer, byte array, and file, which can be used to detect faces in Android. So for this project, in order to get input image, I am using camera kit. So go to the Google and type camera kit. You will be directed to the GitHub page, official GitHub page of camera kit. Just add, it is very easy to use camera kit. Just add these dependencies to your project. Add these dependencies to your build.gradle project. So here you can see in my app.gradle, I have added these dependencies to use camera API. After adding the dependencies, these lines of code are for the camera activity and to be added in the XML file of your app, and copy the code and go to your activity, and in your activity XML file you can add these lines. You can add these lines here. So this gives you XML view of camera. Next, in your activity, you add these lines in order to get camera working, and you can extract the. So you can see here I've added these lines of code here. From the XML, you can get the ID of the camera kit view. Once your camera is ready, then go to the Firebase official documentation, and you can proceed for the next steps. Now you have to mention the options. Options options are nothing but Firebase Vision face detector options, which helps you to detect faces, detect landmarks, image classification. Copy these lines of code and go to your main activity where you are implemented the code. To implement the code, you add the options here. Get input from the camera kit. Camera kit view dot capture the image. It gives you the bitmap. Create a scale bitmap. Create a scale bitmap. Get the width of the camera kit view and height of the camera kit view, and image is equal to Firebase image vision dot from bit. Adding the option to your activity, you have added these options to your activity. Now, in order to run the face detector, you add these lines in your main activity. Here you can see here I've added this code here. Uh, here. So after adding these lines, next run the phase detector. So you can copy these lines of code in order to run the phase detector. Copy these lines, and you can see here I've added these lines here. So this gives on success listener. So on success listener means successful phase detection. So if phase dot size is 0, no phase has been detected. So if phases are detected, in a for loop, you'll get the information about all the phases. If you have enabled landmarks, you can identify landmarks, all the landmarks, left eye open, right eye open, no, nose base, left ear, right eye, etc. So coming to the classifications, if you have enabled classifications, you can get the happiness of the person just by typing. You can see here face dot get get smiling probability. Smiling probability gives you the happiness of the person, etc. Similarly, you can find out the left eye open probability, right eye open probability, and that's it. These gives the number of again counters to detect counters. Left eyebrow, right eyebrow, mouth, etc. Upper lip, lower lip. So you can see here these are the some counters enabled, and the bounding box. This is the upper bounding box shown here. The counters, the faces, and upper lip counter, lower lip counter. So from here I am getting the image. Image is equal to Firebase image dot from bitmap. Since I am getting image from bitmap, I'll be passing this image into the uh, task dot fire detector dot detect image and image variable whatever I'm getting from camera kit API. After this, on success listener and on failure listener. In on success listener, if face dot size is equal to 0, that means no faces have been detected. Or else if faces are detected, you in a for loop you'll get each face counters, landmarks, whatever you have enabled smiling probability, and you can show these smiling probabilities in a fragment or next activity.